Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in and log out of Discord in just a few simple steps. Click the Login button, and Discord loads into your signed-in account. To log out, click the User Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner next to your profile name. A loading screen briefly appears, then the User Settings panel opens on the right side of your screen. Scroll down the left sidebar until you see Log Out at the very bottom, and click it. A confirmation dialog appears. Click Log Out again to confirm, and you'll be taken back to the login screen. To sign back in, click the email field and type your Discord account email address, then click the password field and enter your password. Click the Login button, and Discord loads your account. You're now signed back in and can see your server list on the left. If you're having trouble logging in, double-check that Caps Lock is off when typing your password, as Discord passwords are case-sensitive. You can click the eye icon next to the password field to reveal what you've typed and make sure it's correct. If you've forgotten your password, there's a Forgot Your Password link just below the login button that will send a reset email to your account. Logging out doesn't delete any of your messages or server memberships. Everything stays exactly as you left it when you log back in. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.